Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Some Applications of Trigonometry. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video.
The given question is, an electrician has to repair an electric fault on a pole of height 5 meter. She needs to reach a point 1.3 meter below the top of the pole to undertake the repair work. What should be the length of the ladder that she should use when inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the horizontal would enable her to reach the required position? Also, how far from the foot of the pole should she place the foot of the ladder? And the other thing the question has given us is that we can use root 3 is equal to 1.73. So let us move ahead keeping these things in our mind. So for these type of questions we need to draw the diagram, and then only it would be very easy. And these questions are based from trigonometric ratios or trigonometric identities, or keeping in view of the trigonometry. So trigonometry means right angle triangle. So that means we need to draw a right angle triangle and focus our attention on that, and definitely we will reach our answer. Now, for that purpose or for that reason, I have drawn here a right angle triangle. So guys, let us look here. What is this triangle says that? Now, if you look here, as per the question says that an electrician has to repair an electric fault on a pole of height 5 meter. So guys, let us consider that AB is the electric pole. What is AB? AB is the electric pole that is being given in the question. Electric pole. And what is AB? An electrician has to repair an electric pole fault on a pole of height 5 meter, that is equal to 5 meter. This is being given in the question. Guys, this is being given. So AB is 5 meter. That means as per the question they have given AB as 5 meter. So 5 meter. This particular distance and this particular distance up to here is 5 meter. Now guys, she needs to reach a point 1.3 meter below the top of the pole to undertake the repair work. That means if AB is the pole, the repair work needs to be done at point number D. So at point number D, the repair work needs to be done. And the distance between A and D is 1.3 meter. This is also being given in the question. So what is being given? AD is equal to 1.3 meter. This is also being given. So guys, what is being given? We got a pole as AB, and from the top the repairing work needs to be done at a level of 1.3 meter down from the top. So AD is equal to 1.3 meter. Now guys, again let's see what should be the length of the ladder that she should use, which when inclined at an angle of 60 degree. That means let's assume that CD is the ladder. So let us assume that CD is the ladder. Here let us assume that CD is the ladder, and the inclination of the ladder is 60 degree. So as per the question, the inclination of the ladder is 60 degree. So angle C, ladder, and that is angle C is equal to 60 degree. That is also being given in the question. So guys, whatever is being given in the question, we are first working it out, and then we will move ahead in solving the question. Now, what should be the length of the ladder that she should use, which when inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the horizontal would enable her to reach the required position? That means question is asking us to find out the length of the ladder. So CD is equal to how much? We need to find out. This is being a part of the question. Similarly, also how far from the foot of the pole should she place the foot of the ladder? So that means if C is the foot of the ladder, so as per the question we need to find out the distance from the foot of the pole. So foot of the pole to foot of the ladder, how much is the distance? That means BC. This is also we need to find out. So guys, keeping in view of these things, what we can do? So guys, we could see that AD, the pole that we have considered is AB. AB is equal to BD plus AD from the picture. If you look here at the picture of the diagram, AB is equal to BD plus AD, or AB is equal to or AB, or because we do not know BD, so or I can write BD is equal to AB minus AD, or BD is equal to AB is 5 meter minus 1.3 meter is AD, or so guys, actually I am moving or calculating step by step so that you people can understand. Once you are clear, you can take it directly. Or I can write BD is equal to 3.7. This 3.7 is nothing but 3.7 meter. Now guys, we know BD and we know angle C. What we know? We know BD. If you look here, we know BD as 3.7 meter. We got just here from D to from point B is 3.7 meter, and we know angle C. Now guys, let us see how we can move ahead and how we can find out. First of all, we need to find out, we are going to find out CD as well as we are going to find out BC. So let's see what we are going to do here so that we can find both of these things. Now guys, we know that what we know, we are being given as angle C is 60 degree. So let us apply here. I'm going to again prove it in a simple way using sin theta and cos theta. You people can use tan theta or cot theta, whatever the way you feel comfortable. Just I'm trying to show you in a different way. So let us focus our attention on angle C. Angle C is nothing but sin theta. If I consider sin theta is equal to angle opposite side of angle theta upon hypotenuse. So angle opposite to theta or 60 degree is side opposite to angle 60 degree is BD. So I can write BD upon AC, because AC is also the hypotenuse. BD by AC. So AC is the hypotenuse. And here the value of theta we are going to consider as sin 60 degree is equal to BD upon AC. Or I can write sin 60 degree. Guys, we very well know by this time that sin 60 degree is nothing but root 3 by 2. So instead of sin 60 degree, I am going to take root 3 by 2, and BD, the value of BD we found out as 3.7 from above. If you look at equation number 1, it is 3.7. Now 3.7 upon AC. Hypotenuse we do not know. We are going to first of all find out the hypotenuse. So AC, and hypotenuse here is nothing but the ladder, the length of the ladder. Or I can write root 3 AC is equal to 2 into 3.7, or AC is equal to 2 into 3.7 upon root 3, or that is equal to, I can write 2 into 3.7. 2 into 3.7 is nothing but 7.4. Or I can write AC is equal to 7.4 by root 3. But guys, as per the question asked us to take root 3 is equal to 1.733. This is being asked in the question. So instead of root 3, I can now write AC is equal to 7.4 upon 1.733. This is 7.4 means 7.0. 7.4 means I can write 7.40. Or here this is 1.73. No, not 1.7733. This is only 1.73. So here I can write instead of here I can write 1.73, and this is not 1.733. This is 1.73. Now 7.4 is nothing but 7.40. Or I can write AC is equal to, or I can write AC is equal to 4.277. Once we solve this, we will get 4.277, or if we round it off, we can say that that is 4.28. Therefore, AC is equal to our ladder. So ladder length is equal to 4.28 meter. So guys, here we are able to find out the length of the ladder is 4.28 meter. Now we are only left to find out the distance of the pole from the ladder, from the foot of the ladder. That is BC. How we are going to find out BC? Now let us again apply cos theta, or we very well know that cos theta is nothing but adjacent side of angle theta, that is BC, upon hypotenuse, that is AC. Or I can write cos 60 degree. Here we are going to find out the length of the pole to the ladder, foot of the ladder, that is BC. So cos 60 degree is equal to BC. BC we do not know, upon 4.28. 4.28, that is what we calculated out above. So that is what we are going to consider. Or cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree we very well know by this time is 1 by 2. So instead of cos 60 degree, I am going to write 1 by 2. From the trigonometric table, you can find all these values. What is the value of cos 60 degree? What is the value of cos 30 degree? All these things you will find out. Or 1 by 2 is equal to BC by 4.28. Or 2BC is equal to 4.28. Just did a cross multiplication. Or I can write BC is equal to, or BC is equal to 4.28 upon 2, or BC is equal to 2 to the 4, 2 14 the 28, 2.14 meter. So guys, as per the question, how far from the foot of the pole should she place the foot of the ladder? So this is what foot of the ladder, ladder to the foot of the pole. Distance is 2.14 meter, or we can say that with a distance of 2.14 meters, he should place the ladder. Hope guys you understood this calculation or this process or whatever we did here. It is very simple and very straightforward, but we applied some trigonometric formulas or identities, and we are able to find out this calculation. I tried to explain you using sin theta and cos theta, but you can use tan theta directly and you can find out your calculations. Guys, but still if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.